Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I will say you some of exercise. Be ready students. Everyone sit in your place. Sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop, sit, stand, jump, stop, sit, stand, jump, stop, sit, stand, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, stop, jump, stop. Okay children, sit in your places. Coming to the point, why parents and teachers are very important? Tell me. Parents and teachers very important for us. Why? Because parents very important role in our lives and their children's. Yes or no? And teachers also, they very important role in the lives of their children's. Yes or no? Who are in the school, teachers should role important role, because which is good, which is bad, everything who will say? Teachers. As in parents also, they will say which one is good, which one is bad, which is bad thing, which is good thing, everything the parent will say. Parents after teacher. As they have to build a solid foundation for their kids. Parents. Yes or no? Understood children? What they will do? They have to build a solid foundation for their kids in their order for them to have successful life. Yes or no? Parents will build solid foundation for their kids. Yes, like that only teachers also. Every student should be build a solid foundation in their lives, like that. Understood? Both are very important, teacher and parent. Understood children? You should give respect to your parent and teachers. Understood? Children, everyone open your workbook ma. Subtraction exercise 5.2 ma. See? Recall. Multiple choice questions. Write the missing number. See, there one number is missing. Dash 18, 19, 20. In the dash, what you have to write? 17. Yes. D. First one, D. Okay. Second one, write the missing number 33, 34, dash 36, 37. Which number will come? 35. C. Third one, write the missing numbers 55, 56, 57. 57 after 58. Option A. Okay. Next, remembering and understanding. Multiple choice questions. The difference between 9 and 2. 9 and 2. Difference between 9 minus 2. Difference means what? Minus you should do. Yes. 9 minus 2. How much? See, 2 after up to 9 you should count. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers came? 7 fingers. 7. Difference between 2 and 9. 7. Option C. Understood children? Here. Fifth one. The difference between 8 and 3. 8 and 3. 8 minus 3. Difference. See? 3 after up to 8 you should count. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers came? 5. As 5 is the answer. Where it is 5? Option A. Understood? Next, sixth one. The difference between 7 and 6. 7 minus 6. 6 after up to 7 you should count. 6 after 7. Only 1. 1 is the answer. Where it is? Option B. Understood? Understood what I am doing here? Difference means what? You should do the minus. Understood? Already I told you keywords of the subtractions. In the keyword is there or not difference? Yeah. Next. Fill in the blanks. The difference between 3 and 2. See seventh one. 3 and 2. 3 minus 2. 1. 1 is the answer. Understood? See. Eighth one. What is that? The difference between 5 and 5 minus 3. 3 after up to 5 you should count. 3 after 4, 5. How many fingers? 2. The 2 you should write here. Answer is 2. Understood? Ninth one. The difference between 3 and 3. 3 minus 3. 0. 0 is the answer. Understood, children? Next. 10th one. Solve mentally. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6. 0. 11th one. 0 minus 0. 0. 12th one. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. See, 2 after up to 5 you should count. 2 after 3, 4, 5. How many fingers came? 3. The 3 you should write answer. Understood? 13th one. 13th one. 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8? 0. A1. B1. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7. 7 after up to 9 you should count. 7 after 8, 9. How many fingers came? 2. The 2 you should write here. 14th one. See? Solve mentally. A1. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. See. 5 is here. Here 1 is here. You should minus 1 in the 5. Yes. 1 after up to 5 you should count. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers came? 4. That 4 you should write here. B. 7 minus 2. 2 after up to 7 you should count. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers came? 5. That 5 you should write. Understood? See children. Copy in the workbook. See children, applications. Very short answer question. Buddha has 6 chocolates. He did not distribute any chocolates among his friends. How many chocolates left? Tell me. Buddha has how many chocolates? 6 chocolates. He did not distribute any chocolates among his friends. How many chocolates are left? Tell me. What you have to do? 6 minus 0, because he did not distribute any chocolate among his friends. As now 6 is the answer. As 6 chocolates left with Buddha. Understood? 16th one. See, short answer questions. Out of 7 days in a week, Ramya studied for 2 days. For how many days she did not study? See, 1 week, how many days, children? 7 days. In that 7 days, Ramya studied only 2 days. Remaining, how many days she didn't study? That one is the answer. Understood? You should do. 7 minus 2. See, 7 minus 2. 2 after, up to 7 count. 2 after. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers came? 5. 5 is the answer. 5 days she didn't study. She studied only 2 days. Understood? These are mentally you should do, ma. Next. Chanda has 4 jars. She filled 1 jar with coins. How many jars are empty? See, Chanda has how many jars? 4 jars. In that 1 jar she filled coins. Remaining empty, how many is there? 4 minus 1. Yes. See, she filled only 1 jar. Yes. Remaining how many is there? 1 after, up to 4 you should count. 1 after, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers came? 3. 3 jars are empty. Yes. Remaining how many jars are there? 3 jars. Understood, children? Higher order thinking skills. Seema had 2 sticks in a one hand and 3 sticks in the other. She gave 4 sticks to Meena. How many sticks were left with Seema? See, Seema had 2 sticks in one hand and one more hand 3 sticks. Total how many? 5. Yes. She gave to Meena how many? 4 sticks. Remaining how many? That one you should find. Yes. 18th one. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now she gave to, how many sticks she gave? 4 sticks to give to Meena. Yes. See, 5 minus 4. 1. Yes. 1 stick is remain. Yes or no? First of all, you should read the question properly. Seema had 2 sticks in one hand and 3 sticks in another hand. Yes, she gave to 4 sticks to Meena. One hand, 2 sticks is there. One more hand, 3 sticks are there. Both sticks count 2 plus 3, 5. In that 5, she gave to 4 sticks to Meena. Remaining how many? Only 1. Understood? In the 5, she gave to 4 to Meena. Now, remaining how many? 1. Understood? Copy in the workbook. Neatly, neat handwriting should write. Children, Take out your homework book and copy this in the homework book, and you should do these sums. Okay? Solve mentally. You should do in the homework book, this. Copy in the homework book and you should do this.